The advanced Rega drone, developed by Swiss air rescue Rega, is a highly specialized unmanned aerial system for search and rescue missions in difficult environments. It autonomously scans large areas, even in poor weather when helicopters can't operate. Equipped with multiple sensors, including daylight, thermal, and infrared cameras, plus the LifeSeeker mobile phone tracker, it can locate missing persons with high precision. Designed for extended flights, it operates several kilometers from its base and avoids obstacles with anti-collision technology and an emergency parachute. Using real-time data processing, it enhances search missions, complementing helicopters by increasing efficiency and safety. This technology builds on Rega's experience, integrating innovations to improve rescue capabilities and save lives.